In the last 2 days, Pakistan has witnessed a tragic toll from rain-related disasters, with authorities confirming the loss of at least 37 lives. The relentless downpour has wreaked havoc across the country, leading to the collapse of homes and triggering landslides, particularly in the northwestern province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Among the hardest hit areas, KPK province, bordering Afghanistan, reported the death of 27 individuals, predominantly children, in incidents linked to the heavy rains since Thursday night. Moreover, the province's Disaster Management Authority disclosed that the torrential rains caused injuries to 37 people across 10 districts, including Bajaur, Swat, Lower Dir, Malakand, Khyber, Peshawar, North and South, Waziristan, and Lakki Marwat. Chief Minister KPK Ali Amin Gandapur assured that those affected by the rains would receive adequate compensation for their losses. In Balochistan, particularly in the coastal town of Gwadar, at least 5 individuals lost their lives due to flooding, prompting authorities to conduct rescue operations using boats. The heavy rainfall in Gwadar disrupted normal life, displacing hundreds of residents and causing extensive damage to homes and infrastructure. Similar incidents were reported in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, where 5 individuals lost their lives, prompting emergency relief efforts and debris clearance operations by the National Disaster Management Authority. The situation was compounded by the closure of the Karakoram Highway, a vital link between Pakistan and China, due to landslides caused by rain and snow. The unexpected heavy rainfall in the northern Gilgit-Baltistan region led authorities to caution against tourist travel to the area. This delay in winter rains starting in February instead of November is unusual for Pakistan, a country accustomed to annual damage from monsoons and winter rains. In 2022, Pakistan experienced unprecedented rainfall and flooding, resulting in widespread devastation and significant loss of life and property. The current situation underscores the recurring challenges posed by natural disasters in the region, emphasizing the need for proactive measures to mitigate their impact and ensure the safety and well-being of the population.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.